In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a huddle in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to jump into a quick audio or video chat, share your screen, raise your hand to speak, keep notes in a thread, and leave the huddle confidently. First, head to app.slack.com in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're in the correct workspace. These steps also work the same way in the Slack desktop app. For the best experience, allow your browser or app to use your microphone and camera, and consider using headphones to reduce echo. Next, select the channel or direct message where you want the conversation to happen. This matters because the huddle will be associated with that space, and people in the channel can see that a huddle is active and join if they need to. Click into the channel so it's open on your screen. Now start the huddle. Look toward the top right area of Slack for the option to start a huddle and click it. Slack will spin up the session and show you quick controls for your mic and camera. If you're just doing audio, keep the camera off. If you want face-to-face, turn it on. When the huddle appears, click into the huddle to join. You'll see a small floating or docked panel with participant tiles and controls. Use the mute button when you're not speaking to keep things clear. If you don't hear anything, double check your audio input and output in Slack's device settings. If you need to present, you can share your screen. Click the screen share icon, then choose the specific window or your entire screen. Sharing a single window helps avoid accidental notifications popping up. Narrate what you're showing and pause occasionally to make sure everyone is following along. If you want to indicate you'd like to speak without interrupting, you can raise your hand. Use the hand icon so others know you're in the queue. This is especially helpful in larger huddles or when someone is presenting. To keep a record of links, action items, or quick notes, you can open a thread connected to the huddle. This keeps the conversation tidy and makes it easy for anyone who missed the huddle to catch up later. Post summaries, files, or timestamps right there. When you're done, you can leave the huddle. Click the leave or hang up button and the session will end for you. If you started it in a channel and no one else is present, the huddle will close out entirely. That's it. Quick, efficient, and perfect for fast collaboration in Slack.